To start a Google Hangout, first go to your Google Plus account. From your homepage, in the top right corner, you can see the Hangouts button. To toggle the Hangouts in or out, go ahead and click on Hangouts. To start a new Hangout, start typing the name of the person you would like to hang out with. If they're already added to your circles, they will pop up at the top of your list. I'm going to simply hang out with Chad Quick and hoping he's not available. Once you click on the person, it will give you an option whether you want to add more people to the Hangout or you want to give them a call. If you want to see if they're available prior to giving them a call, go ahead and type them a message down at the bottom of that page. To get into the video call area, click on that little video button. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up the video and it's going to call whoever you're calling. Now hopefully Chad doesn't pick up here. At the top of the screen you have your invite people, your mute microphone, you can turn your camera off, and you can control how nice your visibility is or your bandwidth is on your computer. If you're plugged in and you're hardwired, you can leave it all the way up. But if you're using a wireless connection, that may not be the greatest. You can turn down your video just a little bit. Other settings, if you're having microphone and or speaker issues, is the place where you would fix that. So go ahead and click on the gearbox and choose from the list for a microphone. If you have a microphone plugged in, you probably are going to use the either a line-in or a microphone. If you have a laptop, you might use the integrated microphone. The speakers also give you a different option. If you're not hearing sound, always play the test sound and it should make a noise if it's working. If it's not working, choose a different option and try again. Once you have your microphone and your speakers working, click Save to continue. On the left side of your Google Hangout, you have a chat option that you can toggle on or off. If you're not the one currently talking in the chat, you're able to turn the chat on and you can back channel over on the right side of your group chat. The button underneath that is a screen share button. This allows you to share a screen of your computer. So if you're walking through a tutorial or you're attempting to teach something or you're just wanting to show something off, you can share your screen and you will show it to everybody in the call. You can snap a picture using the capture button. Here's your control room. The control room is available now in Hangouts Live on Air. And to learn more about it, check out the tutorial on Hangouts Live on Air. I've added a Google Drive app to my Google Hangout. In order to add apps, you can click on your three little dots and click Add Apps. What the Google Drive app allows me to do is pull documents right out of my drive that we can then work on together or at least share and view within the Hangout. It's a nice feature. And finally, the last feature that I'm going to touch on is the Google Effects feature. And the Google Effects feature allows you to add different props, backgrounds, facial hairs. If you remove all of the effects, that will work as well. It's just a fun little bit to play with. Another one is this Hangout Toolbox. The Hangout Toolbox has the effects built right into it. But what I want to show you in the Google Toolbox is that there's a lower third. In the lower third, what that will do is that will turn on or off, kind of like on the news, who you are. So if you click and you turn on your lower thirds and your video is on, it's going to show that in the lower third. Now you can set that up to be any color you would like, a logo, a tagline, what it says. This is currently mirrored on my screen, but everybody else that sees this is going to see it facing the proper direction. Okay. To end the Hangout, to get out of the Hangout, you can simply end the call by hitting the red Leave Call button in the top of your screen. And that's Google Hangout.